Hello friend, this is our petrol pump application and this is a login page of our application. I have login. This is a dashboard of petrol pump application. There the wizard, the total income, total expense. Even you can bind this whole report by using uh, date selector. Uh, this is a line chart, sale and purchase, income, expense, etc. The sold chart. Diesel, servo pride petrol, the stock item which is a purchase we have purchased today, and this is a very fantastic report, the D end report. The machine reading also coming here. This is a total D end report, the today report we can say, and there is also coming the opening stock of diesel, petrol, grease, and other item. Even we can show after show you this report the purchase quantity, total quantity, sale quantity, and the ending, what is the ending stock of this particular thing. The total sale quantity is coming here, total sale amount, total sale, the loan, after loan, the total giving loan, give salary today, to today total expense, and after that the total income is coming here. This is a yearly expense report, uh, loan due payment even coming here. Also, you can print to this uh, particular report. Even there is a more report you can see after purchase this application, and there is a more features like purchase, purchasing. There you can purchase by new company and new company. First we have to see new company, company name, email, mobile, date, and address. Even if I have already registered new company, there is a Indian oil test, etc. Even you can see a history of like my purchase order. There is a all purchase order of company. Even you can add a new purchase, your history company. This is a item. Even you can add a new item which you have sale from your petrol pump. This is a all item of my petrol pump. There you can add a invoice number, what is a quantity like two, and there you can even add a type like liter, what is the price of liter like 17. Total will become automatically, purchase date, and there you can add a caption like create. This will become here, and yeah. Even you can add other expense like uh, buy a tea and other cold drink, etc. You can submit here. Even you can add a sale to a new customer and list customer, your history customer. uh, there is also you can see a customer history which he was purchased from your, and even you can add a new sale from even you can there is a employee management, there is employee list. You can even you can add a new employee, the manage all employee, give employee salary like this feature include here, salary amount, on which date you have given any salary. In this salary list, there is a loan management, Add a new loan, add a new customer for loan, list all loan, the all histories displays. You can create a new loan, even you can see a detail of loan. There is a many reports like stock item purchase. We'll see. This is a report of purchase report, diesel, grease, the other many things which you have to sell. Even you can sort out with the diesel, petrol, and other items. The other report is stock item which you have sale, that will come here. The total stock report, income report, expense report. This is a financial year wise, like April to March. Due payment report, employee salary report. Even you can print the report from here. The machine reading, this is a reading history. Also you can create a new machine reading, like you can add a new machine if you have a multiple machine in your petrol pump. Just select a machine reading date, and add a new machine, and machine type diesel or petrol. Like you can easy to create here. Daily, and this is a uh, uploading feature for if you want to upload your backup from the other server. So this is our uh, also there is a many options for export this report to a PDF, Excel, Word, and etc. Many things are there. So thanks for watching a video.